Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a monthly calendar on your Google Sheets. So here I already opened my Google Sheet on my iPhone. So the things that we have to do to create a monthly calendar, you just need to go click this plus button, and then you just need to go click a choose template. In this template, you just need to explore which template that you can use for creating your calendar, which is the annual calendar right here. You just need to click it. Hold on until the process is generated, and here is the logo. We already have a year 2023 calendar, but since we want to make a since we want to make a monthly calendar, so you don't need to worry because this template is already provide you a monthly part on the next sheets here. You just need to explore it. For example, if you want to go into December, just go scrolling into the left side all of this sheet or page, and after that you just need to go click December. You know, you already have a December calendar 2023. If you didn't satisfy with the color, you just need to change it by go block all of the cells from the A1 until this part, and after that you just need to go click this part and explore the color that you want to have. If you want to have a blue, you just need to go in the blue sections and choose the correct blue that you want to have, and after you're done, you just need to go click the cells back, and you can see that the color of the text is quite bright and the background is also bright, so we need to change the color of the text by go click this part, and after that you just need to choose which color that you want to add, and after you're done you just need to go back. So you already have a December calendar here, and if you want to add the notes, you just need to go specific dates, for example in 12, and after that if you want to mark this, you just need to go back into the color part and just go pick the different color to sign the special dates here, and after that to create the information just go click done first, and after that click the cells right after the dates number, and after that go click a pencils and just start typing the informations on it. For example, mom's birthday, and after you're done you just need to go click done. So that's the way how to create a monthly calendar on your Google Sheet by iPhone. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.